Are you annoyed by the Meta AI watermark ruining your videos? Well, forget expensive tools or complicated tricks because today I will show you how to remove it completely for free. In just minutes, your video can look professional, polished, and watermark free. And the best part is that the quality of your video will still remain 100% without any distortion. So if this is what you want to do, just stick around because you don't want to miss any part of this particular video. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. This is my Meta AI dashboard. So once you log in, once you come here, you're definitely going to be logging in using your accounts, your Facebook account. So you just need to just log in. So now I've already logged in, and you can see from here I have these are some of the images I generated earlier before now. So you can say, if you can remember, okay, let me make use of this. You see this particular one. You can see from this one, if you remember, I did a tutorial where I generated these particular images. So now I'm going to just, if you can see, if I should try to download any one, let me say I'm downloading this particular one again. I should click on download and see once. By the time it downloads, you can see by the time I preview, you'll definitely see the Meta AI logo on it. That's the watermark. You see the logo on it. So now I'm going to show you how to get rid of this, to just download your image without any watermark on it. So what you're going to do, you can see for it to get, you have to first of all click on share. Now once I click on share, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this link. So once you copy the link, the next thing you're going to do, you are going to go to use another tool. So now what you're going to just come to, just search for Manus AI. Just search for Manus AI. This particular AI is also coming from Facebook themselves. So what you're going to just do is just to log into this particular AI, still using your Facebook. So I'm going to click on login. I'm going to log in using my Facebook account. So you can see once you're here, we tell you to do upgrade, to do all of this, but we are not going to do any of the upgrade. We are just going to close this. So now once you close this, what you're going to be doing, you can see for the free account they are giving 1,300 credits, and it's refreshed. Then you get it refreshed. You have once you log in, you get 300 daily. So that's was it. So now what I'm going to now do is just, so I'm going to from here, you can see from here where it says I should assign a tag. So I'm going to just, what I will do is say, I'll just say, so here is it. There's the prompt I added to it. I just say it should download this video for me without the Meta AI watermark logo on it. So once I do that, I'm going to now say, here is the link to the video. So after that, I can paste the link to the video under this instruction. So once I do that, that is just all you need to do. So remember, this Meta AI is from Facebook. This other one too is also from Facebook. So what it will just do, once I click on send now, it's going to send, and to start doing this processing, it's going to go through the Meta AI database, try to get the video and analyze everything. Then, because if you should try to maybe go to use other tools to start getting out the video, the logo is going to, sometimes it's going to change the video a little. It's not going to come out bright. So that's why we have to just do it from directly from the Facebook backend to get exactly what we have in the picture. So that's just how it is. So now, sorry, the one I even did this in God wasn't a video. That was why you can see is throwing an error telling me that it wasn't a video file. So now let me now try to do something. So now what I did, I'm going to now, let me quickly just get a video file. What I did was to click on one of them to animate. Let me just animate one of them. I've clicked on it and it's animating. So now once it's finished animating, I'm going to just get the link. So let me just wait for a little for it to generate the animation. So you can see this is it. This is what it's animated. This is what I got. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy this link. So now you can see I've copying the link copied. So now I'm going to do the same thing now. So I'm going to now, okay, what I'm going to just do, I'm going to stop it from generating. I'm going to stop. So I stopped it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just paste the link here, and let me just, I don't want to start typing this again. Let me copy this and put it on top of here. So now here is it. So I've updated the link and I'm going to send it now. So by the time I send it, I think it should be able to generate for me. Now you can see I have received a new link. Now it's attempt to so just wait for it. It should do all its whole analysis and fits me the video downloaded. So you can see now it's not telling me that it has confirmed that the screenshot contains a video. So you can see. So now let's just wait for it. So you can see it's done. It's done. Task completed. It's done generating the. So from here now you can see by the time I click on this, you can see you can now, by the time I try to play the video, if I should play the video now, you can see there is no longer the Meta AI logo is no longer on it again. So what I can just do, I'll just click on download. So once you click on download, and it's going to download this particular file for you without any watermark on it. So that's the first way of doing it. So now you can, okay, let me just, before you say there's still watermark on it, you can see by the time I play it, there's nothing like watermark on this particular video. So now what if for this particular one is going to, this is the first approach of doing this. Now the second approach is going to be using an extension to do that. Now this particular one, you have to start doing one video at a time. So let's say you have you generated lots of videos. How do you do them in bulk? So now I'm going to show you how to go about it in this one. So now to do that, what you just need to do, that's after generating your videos. After generating your videos, okay, let me quickly do something. Let me say for this, okay, this one is when she was holding water. Let me say after this, I'm going to scroll. Okay, let me say from here where she was working, let me animate this also. Why I'm doing this, I want to have multiple videos on this particular page. So you can see it has generated the video. See it has animated the key video. So I have more than one video on this particular page. So now what I'm going to now quickly do is to come over to we are going to be using an extension for this particular one. So I'm going to come over to my extension, or what you're going to just come to Google. You are going to come to Google. What you're going to do is to search for this extension. I'm going to, you can see this extension, just search for this video downloader by this. So what you're going to just do is just to search for it, and once you search for it, it has to be on Google Chrome. If it's not on Google Chrome, it's not going to work. It's not going to work properly for now. It's not going to, that's what I just discovered. So maybe in the future, we might work on other browsers. But for now, I think I've tested it on Google Chrome and it's working fine. So what I'm going to just do is I'm going to add this particular thing to my browser here. So what I did was to click on add to Chrome, then pop-ups. I'm going to click on add. So once you will do that, it's going to just wait for it. It's going to add the extension to your Chrome browser. So you can see it has already added the extension to my browser. So what I'm going to now do, I'm going to just close this. And now if you should check here among your list of extensions, you're going to see this. Let me just pin this. Yes, you can see here is it here. So now what I'm going to now do, you can see now on the Meta, okay, yeah, on this particular side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to now, for that to work, you can see by the time I just do this, you are going to see there's no file detected. So what I'm going to just do is to refresh this particular page. So once I refresh the page so that it loads out the plugin extension I added, will be able to refresh also. So that's just it. Now I'm going to once I do allow it to finish refresh loading, you can see it shows that there's 3. So by the time I click here, you can see there are 3 files for me to download. Hope you get it now. And so I can just download all this in box. So if you want to see, you can click on the preview to play it and see which particular one is the one you are looking for. So you can see, you can preview too. So you can, from here, you can just do download straight up. If you want to start navigating to see what particular one. So if it is this one, once I click on play, it's going to load up. So just for you to be able to know which particular one you want to, so you navigate which one you want to download. So if you are certain about the one to download, just click on download. So let me say I'm downloading this, just click on download, or you can still just click on this particular icon to download your video. So you can see it's downloading the video for me. So this is the one I best recommend. This one, it has no much complications. You can see by the time I preview the video, you are going to see that there is nothing like watermark on this particular video. There's nothing like watermark on it. So that's just how, so that's, as I said earlier, this is the best one I mostly recommend using this particular extension. is the best, and it all helps you to also download multiple images and videos from this particular from Meta AI. So you can see how I was able to remove the Meta AI watermark from videos without having to pay for it. So you can try this out, and if it works for you, just comment in the comment section. I would like to know if really it works for you and if you enjoyed this particular video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.